Choosing a 3D printer in 2026 is no longer just about speed or size. It's about precision, reliability, and real-world performance. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 3D printers, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. I'll break down performance, key features, and real advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. AD5X Multi-Material. The FLASHFORGE AD5X Multi-Material 3D printer is designed for creators who want easy multicolor printing with minimal setup. It supports 4-color printing, reaches speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and features full auto calibration with filament backup support. Review highlights. This printer is ideal for creative users who want to experiment with multi-material prints while maintaining consistent quality and fast output. Pros: 4-color multi-material printing, fast 600 millimeters per second print speed, full auto calibration, filament backup for uninterrupted prints. Number 4. K2SE Combo. The K2SE Combo is a solid, fully assembled 3D printer that supports multicolor printing through its CFS system. It offers 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing, smart auto leveling, and a durable metal frame for stability. Review highlights. This printer is built for reliability and ease of use, making it a great option for users who want fast setup and dependable performance right out of the box. Pros: multicolor printing support, 500 millimeters per second high-speed capability, smart auto leveling system, strong metal frame construction. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. This version of the FLASHFORGE AD5X delivers high-speed multicolor printing with fully automatic leveling, a 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, and a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. It offers excellent speed and color accuracy, making it suitable for both hobbyists and small production workflows. Pros: multicolor printing with IFS system, fully automatic leveling, high-speed 600 millimeters per second printing, reliable FLASHFORGE ecosystem. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon CoreXY 3D printer is capable of printing at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. It features a 320 degrees Celsius nozzle, auto calibration, a built-in camera, and arrives ready to print out of the box. Review highlights. This printer stands out for precision, advanced monitoring features, and strong build quality, making it ideal for serious makers and professionals. Pros: CoreXY high-speed motion system, 320 degrees Celsius high-temperature nozzle, built-in camera for monitoring, excellent print accuracy and stability. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Multicolor. The FLASHFORGE AD5X CoreXY Multicolor 3D printer is the most advanced model on this list. It delivers ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second printing, one-click auto leveling, a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, and a highly efficient CoreXY system with a 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume. Review highlights. This printer combines speed, precision, automation, and multicolor capability in one complete package, making it suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. Pros: CoreXY design for superior speed and accuracy, 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, one-click auto leveling, best balance of performance and usability. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing speed, print quality, automation, multicolor performance, and real-world usability, the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor CoreXY 3D printer is the best 3D printer you can buy in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the best current deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.